Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to recreate this low, elegant chignon. To start, I'm going to apply some texture powder at the roots all over the crown area. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then this step is optional, but I've decided to take thin sections of hair at the crown and just lightly tease them to give the hairstyle a little bit more volume. Once you've got everything backcombed, flip it over and then just smooth out the top layers with the very edge of your comb. Next, just gather that backcombed section into your hands and we're just going to tie it into a small ponytail at the back of the head using a clear elastic band. Now, taking your thumbs, place them on top of the ears and then draw a line to meet that elastic band on both sides, so you have two sections, one on each side. Then simply cross one section over the other, bringing it to the opposite sides of the head. Then using your fingers, divide the rest of the hair in half and add it to each of those sections on the left and right. Then we're simply going to tie each section into a small ponytail using some clear elastic bands. Next, we're going to take that right hand ponytail and bring it over the top of the left hand ponytail. Bring it underneath around the back, hold it together and join both of those ponytails together with another elastic band. Now I'm going to pop another band about halfway down the ponytail and I'm just going to take this over to the right hand side of the head and then just roll that elastic band under so you can't see it, and then just secure it through the centre of that loop with a couple of bobby pins to make sure it's nice and tight. And then with those last little sections you've got hanging down, we're going to pop another elastic band right near the end and only pull it part way through on the last turn to create a loop. This just makes pinning a lot easier. Then tuck that loop behind the chignon. So push it in behind the little loop in front of it and secure with another bobby pin or two. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.